Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable large loopy fall bow wreath. What you will need, I have my wreath ring, which was purchased at Dollar Tree. And then I have burlap, plaid, and orange ribbon. You can use whatever colors or styles you decide. I also have some bow wire, Chanel stems, and the Bowdabra bow maker, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my bow wire and fold it in half and place it in the center of my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to start with my plaid ribbon, and I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to estimate. I'm going to scrunch my ribbon, fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it in the center of my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take my ribbon, make a loop, and scrunch it again. Make another loop, scrunch it, place it down. And I'm going to make a pretty large size bow, but if you want to make a smaller bow, you can definitely do that. If you want your bow even larger than this, you can definitely do that. Alright, and then I'm going to cut away my ribbon. Use my wand to scrunch everything together. And then I'm going to repeat the same step with the burlap ribbon. But I'm going to lay the tail over the loop. I don't want two tails on top of each other and two loops on top of each other. So I'm going to start with my tail on top of the loop. And then I'm going to make a loop on top of the plaid tail. And then a burlap loop on top of the plaid tail. And then cut my ribbon. And I'm going to repeat this step again with my orange ribbon, making sure that I alternate the loops and the tails. Use my wand to scrunch everything together, and then I'm going to repeat the same step with my orange burlap ribbon. It's a pretty decent sized bow. You can use twice as much plaid ribbon if you choose to do so. This is the chance for you to just play around with it and make it your own. Once you're done, take your bow wire, the two openings inside of the loop, and pull the bow nice and tight. And then remove it from the Bowdabra. And then just tie it in a knot a couple of times, just to make sure it's nice and secure. Then I'm just going to adjust it, maneuver it, make sure my loops and my tails look really nice. Alright, and then I'm going to repeat this step, making several bows, alternating which colors I have on top. Some bows will have plaid on top, some bows orange, and other bows will have burlap on top. Just trying to alternate it back and forth. Now I attached a chenille stem to my bow wire, and I'm going to twist the chenille stem to the center two stems, and then tuck it away. And then I'm just going to maneuver it, fluff it up nice and good. And I'm going to add another bow to the next section. Twisting my chenille stem nice and tight. And you definitely could have just used the chenille stem to tie the bow together. I've done that before, whichever way you prefer. Alright, I'm going to get all of my bows placed and show you what it's looking like. Once you've added all of your bows, I decided to go with one large bow in each of my 6 sections, but you can definitely place 2 bows in each of the 6 sections if you want an even loopier and poofier wreath. But I thought 6 looked so precious. Now I'm just going to maneuver, make sure everything looks good. And I like to use the wire edge ribbon because I can manipulate the loops a little bit better. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to do. Modify the colors, the styles, add in any additional embellishments that you like, add an adorable sign to the center. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So cute and precious.